Hey, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your batteries charged and in full power when you keep your car in a long-term storage. In my case, I have a secondary all-wheel drive car for the winter, so I'm going to put my Lexus in storage indoors in my house for the next 4 or 5 months until the winter is gone. In today's video, I'm going to use a MOTOPOWER battery maintainer. This battery maintainer is pretty easy to use. I'm going to put the link in the description. If you're interested, do check it out. So the battery maintainer is as simple as keeping your battery charged while plugged to the wall. So in this battery maintainer, you will see the adapter with LED indicator for battery status, and one end will have the wall plug and the other will have the plug for the car. You have two options. Either you maintain your battery the same way you want to jump start a car using those alligator plugs, and the second method would be to directly bolt in the pins on positive and negative and use the covered secure plug as an outlet to plug in to whenever you want to maintain your battery. The adapter shows LED status. When it's fully charged, it's going to show you in green. When it's charging or discharging, it is also going to indicate on the adapter. All in all, I really like this MOTOPOWER battery maintainer. It is one of the best selling products right now, so if you're interested, the link is in the description. Go check it out. If you have learned something new, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.